everybody and welcome to it. Today we're going to be customizing our phones for Christmas, and specifically today's theme that I'm heading out for is the Ralph Lauren Christmas aesthetic. I keep seeing this trending all over my social media and I think it would be so cute to have as a phone theme. I did go get a little gingerbread chai because I had a Starbucks gift card. So I have my festive beverage for the video and I have my phone. Today I'll be using the iPhone 17 Pro Max. But yeah, basically I'm just going to give a little tutorial going through some widget ideas and inspo and wallpapers and all these fun tips and tricks. So what do you say we go ahead and get on into it? Okay, you guys know, first thing in these videos, we usually pick out a phone case to go with our theme. I have a few options here, so I don't know which one to go with. I'll show you them all though. First, there's this one, which is super cute for December and Christmas in general, but not sure if it fits the Ralph Lauren theme we're going for. This hot chocolate one, which I also am obsessed with. It's so cute. This striped one I think works really well. I think it might be my favorite. Those three I just showed you are all from Berga. I'll link them below. And lastly, I found this one at Target. I thought it was fun. I know last year I got like a bow phone case and it was so extra, but so fun for Christmas. And so I was wondering if they were gonna have anything fun like that again. And they had almost like a white fluffy Yeti type of vibe style. That's what it kind of reminded me of, but that just wasn't really my style. So I got this one. It looks like a sweater pattern. It even has like a knitted feel. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay, it is cute. Has these like little things down here for you to attach phone straps, which I actually did grab because they had these right next to it from the same line. This one's like a pearl one and you chain it onto each, but honestly, I don't really know how much I would use that. So I don't know if I'll open this. My only thing with this is it's not MagSafe, and I use MagSafe things every single day. So I might pass on this one for now, but it is really cute. I think this striped pretty pattern red would really fit the Ralph Lauren aesthetic that we're going for, so I think this one's the winner. All right, now we picked out a case. There's a little bit of prep work that we have to do to be able to actually do this whole customization. First, you're gonna go onto Pinterest. It's easiest if you just look up my name and go to my Pinterest board called iPhone Customizations, or I'll also have it linked down in the description. And then you're gonna click on my December 2025 board, and here's where you're going to find everything you need. So just download whatever widgets you think are cute, or obviously you can look up Ralph Lauren Christmas aesthetic and find your own widgets and everything. But take a moment and download all of those so we can use those for some widgets and wallpapers. I think I'm going to use this plaid one that's on the Pinterest board as the home screen. I think this little bear is so cute. You know, the like Ralph Lauren bear, it's not obvious, it's not the same, but similar, okay? All right, once you've had your things downloaded, you're also going to go to the app called iScreen, and you can either scroll on like the first page or search. So it is so cute. Fireplace? Are you kidding me? You're kidding. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. And you can click any colors you want. What color do I want? Okay, let's think. Ralph Lauren, what would Ralph Lauren do? Maybe like this red? Okay, I hit the little color wheel right there. And then I chose that red. I think any of these would be cute, or even a green. So many decisions. Yeah, I think definitely a deep red. Oh my gosh, okay. Then you just click save to my widgets. Now it's saving. Awesome, okay. Now we're ready to get started. All right, we are here on my lock screen. I'm just going to press and hold and then swipe over to create a new one. You guys, we have so many, look at all of these. Oh, wait, there's Last Christmas. Oh, those were so cute. I feel like I'm gonna do like so many different Christmas ones because I love this Ralph Lauren aesthetic, but I can't help but love Pinkmas and gingerbread, so we'll see. All right, as I mentioned, I'm gonna use the little bear for the lock screen. For the time, I think I'm gonna change because it's kind of hard to see. I'm gonna use this dropper and maybe pick like this red from his jacket. Cute, and I'm just gonna drag down. I wonder if it could, nope, not what I wanted. Gonna go like right there. So pretty. Okay, then I can add some widgets. I'm gonna do the weather and my sleep score. Very simple, but have them down here so I can have the time dragged down like that. And from there, you're gonna click photo and find that gorgeous wallpaper right there and click done. Okay, now there we have it. Pretty. All right, guys, first things first, I think we need to tint these apps, except the widgets are still stuck in fall as well. So, what should we do first? Okay, actually, let's do the widgets first. So my little hack is if you already have any Widgetsmith photos, if you just press on it and then scroll through them until you find the one that it was, so I know it was this ghosts, you can literally just click photo and then you can just set it from there and it will easily show just like that. And it's so simple. But if you don't have any pre-existing Widgetsmith widgets, first make sure you download the Widgetsmith app and then you will click the plus in the top right corner and click small photo. And then there's where you will choose whichever photo you want to set as your widget. Then from there, you'll press and hold on your home screen and click edit in the top left. Click add widget. I just search Widgetsmith and then you'll do a small widget. Then you can click on it and if you remember, and then remember which one it was, so it was photo number 31. And there it is, so cute. Okay, we're gonna do a few more of these. I think I already have a few set. There's one, I believe there's another. Oh my gosh, these photos are so perfect for what we're going for. Oh my gosh, also I never showed you guys all my shirt. This is my sweater. It says Marrier with a martini. I just liked the green for this whole Ralph Lauren aesthetic. I don't have any of the bear sweaters. Maybe I'll have to get one. They're like so expensive. I didn't realize Ralph Lauren sweaters were so expensive. All right, adding another one. I'm gonna switch that one to one of the ones I created as well. And then one more, I'm going to change that. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Yay! Okay, and then here is where we're also going to add in that fireplace. So just click edit, add widget, search ice cream. And you'll swipe over to the middle, add widget, and we're gonna click on it, choose, and then it's right there at the top, fireplace number 1. Okay, let's see how this looks. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, wow. I can't tell if the vibes are right. I think I need a darker background color. I love that it moves and is interactive. It's so cute. Let's see. Oh, we could go black. What about the dark green? Okay, maybe something like this. Okay, we're gonna have to resave it. And then, okay, what do we think of that? Kind of matches the green in some of these photos. Okay, I don't mind it. Okay, now, oh, just kidding. 2 more widgets over here. I didn't download enough photos. I need more. I think this is cute. This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna change this, see what this looks like. I can't tell, this doesn't really fit the Ralph Lauren vibe, but it's so cute. And this is gonna be me all season long. My martinis, with my martini sweater. Come on, so cute. Okay, let's see that. Cute. Okay, I always get thrown off because my apps are all different colors, so we're going to change this by pressing and holding on our home screen, clicking edit in the top left, and then customize. This is one of my favorite things. Okay, you're gonna click tinted. Oh, and I usually really like the color that it auto matches because of your wallpaper, but I'm actually gonna click the sun in the top left so it's brighter. And then I also am gonna click this icon right there that makes them all bigger because it hides the words underneath and I don't really like to see those. Oh, this is adorable. Oh my gosh, what do we think? Very classy. Oh, I love the fireplace widget, but I don't know if it's the vibe. What do you guys think? I have one other option and let me show you it. It's on iScreen again. Oh my gosh, the ads on this dang app actually drive me insane. Okay, the one I really love is this one. It's called Music Player number 1. If you search that up, oh, it's adorable. Okay, and it's that middle one. And then you can even change the colors and the font. Oh, so cute. Let's make it like a little see-through. Okay, then you click add unlock. And basically it just goes based off whatever your latest song was played on Apple Music. So then I'm gonna just switch this out and see. We're gonna click fireplace and click music player number 1. Oh, I just love that. I love how the brown in the widget matches the brown in my apps down there. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, it's so cute. And actually, if you click on it, it'll start playing the song. I don't know if it is because I'm screen recording right now, but how stinking fun is that? Cute. This looks so good. And it's still November, so my content plan has that, but I did change it to wood. I don't know. What do we think? Let's change this. Make it this. Oh, fun. I just switched it to the background, so now it kind of all matches. This is all so cute. I placed a large makeup order during the Sephora sale. So I ordered Rhode. This is my first time ever actually ordering Rhode. I only had one other product. It was one of the lip glosses. I don't know the color. And I got it for Christmas last year from my friend Kylie. So this was kind of fun. I got a few other things to try out. Super cute. But all right, let's do a little tour of how this turned out. Some final results. Here's the outside of the phone. As we saw, the case, I just love this. And this case is MagSafe approved, so you can still use MagSafe things with it, which is perfect. I use my phone on a MagSafe charger every single night in bed, so it's really helpful to have that so I don't have to take the whole case off and on. Here is our lock screen. I just love this color right now. It's so pretty. I love the little bear. I obviously was listening to the music, so it has my music up here, but I feel like this is very Ralph Lauren coded. Perfect for the vision. Then when we go in, I just love this first page. It's so pretty. All the widgets, very New York, Ralph Lauren vibe. Then our little widget that plays. So fun! And of course the different color of our ab tinting. Perfect. Okay, next page is my reminder widget page, and this is not updated at all. I need to go in and fill out the days. Honestly, I haven't been using this as much. I've been using a paper planner lately, so I don't know, to be determined if I keep this page or not. And then the last page over here, we have all my most used apps and just a few more really cute widgets and my Notion board with my content planner. And that is it for the Ralph Lauren inspired Christmas aesthetic iPhone. I am obsessed. I'll most likely be doing another whole customization for December, so make sure you guys subscribe to follow along for that because I have a feeling it's going to be Pinkmas, so I'm excited. Comment the little teddy bear emoji if you made it all the way to the end because Ralph Lauren, you know, the bear. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you love your new phones, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!